Big bucks, no whammies, guys. Ticker ENVB. What a move today, right? Low float stock, hit our scanners early. Mentioned this one in the BB Key Levels channel. I only added 3 ideas in that channel, guys. Make sure if you're getting into the Discord, you're paying attention to that channel. Watching, those are the key levels I'll be watching throughout the day. If you're looking to trade with me, trade alongside me, ENVB was in there very early on at the 224 level. Let's take a closer look at the price action on this one, right? So we're looking for white candles for breakout volume. And guess what I see? White candles galore. We've got it all over the place. We had a bullish vertical trend and a huge pop into a resistance level, hit the target of 253 and knife down. Nasty major red candle, something to obviously consider before we get into these trades, because we did have major reds before, right? But it hit our target. So if you're trading confirmation, that is a target hit. We're looking now for it to clean close over this level for it to get to the next level, 269. ENVB did do so, closed over here, had a bullish vertical trend, but still filled that gap and hit target multiple times in this little window here. We can see over on the side, we had a major red candle, but we did hit that target, filled the gap up above, and now we're looking for a clean close over 277 and 281 because we've already filled the gap. So after this, that's confirmation, looking for a clean close over these predetermined resistance levels that were added into our Discord very early on. All of these charts are. Retrace back down. I don't play these type of trades often, myself, guys. This is more of a dip buy, right? So I don't usually buy the dips. I don't do that. I look for confirmation. I look for a clean close above. As we gap back up, we hit resistance here. We closed above right here with this bullish candle, but we filled the gap. So it's pretty risky. Risk it for the biscuit setup. Closed above resistance, came back down, held as support, never closed back below, hit target there and here. Now, hover over this line, we can see green candle filled the gap. Don't like that, guys. It's hard to trade these moves, right? It's just hard to trade these moves because we're looking for a clean close. But the idea was all the way down here at 224. So if you got in down here, you should be well in the green and taking profit and just in at a lotto, so this price action doesn't concern you as much, right? But hover over this line, we can see that we had a red candle close back below. We hit the target multiple times. Now we're looking for a clean close over this predetermined level. First candle that closed over, took off, of course, first close over the 320 level. Zoom on out, no close over yet. This is our first clean close over that predetermined level. This green candle closed over the 320, hit target. Very next candle, 1, 2, 3, almost 4 targets in 1 minute. That is fast. Next minute, well, we continued to hit more targets. We had a bullish vertical trend. So mentioned in Benzinga and in our Discord that this is where there's room for concern. We've got this major weighted resistance at 390 and 402. I added the chart in those chats as well. We had a bullish vertical trend leading into resistance. We needed a breather, right? There's our breather candle. Makes sense. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Get back over the 402, close above, and that's what we're looking for. We never closed above the 402 level, and so therefore we do not deem this as bullish until we do. That is a target hit if you're in any one of these levels below. That would be a target hit and where I would be taking profit. Since then, we have retraced back down. We have a few major reds, which is kind of to be expected, right? But ENVB was all the way down here when we first stated it. Our BB key level channel right here, 224 and 233. These are the levels I was watching for a possible trade. Beautiful move on ENVB. I hope you guys caught it. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.